Hey guys, welcome back to Our Old Farmhouse. We're out here real quick finishing up our chores. We got some thunder coming in and a couple of raindrops here or there, so we'll hopefully get this done before it starts to storm on us. So stay tuned, we'll go over what we got for today. Alright guys, well the last couple of weeks we have had a complete dry spell out here with only a teeny bit of rain, and kind of funny, the last couple of, well, I think every day this week actually, it has torrential downpour at my work, and here at home we've had absolutely nothing other than a light mist. So we have some thunder rolling in right now. They're calling for some severe thunderstorms, but they've called for those thunderstorms the last 2 nights and we haven't gotten anything. So I did water, just kind of a light mist the last 2 days, but I think I am going to hold off today on watering anything. Hopefully we'll get that storm tonight. If not, it is going to be a super dry day out tomorrow, and I hope we don't put our plants under too much stress, but I think that's the best route to go right now. I think they'll benefit the most if we get that rain. I guess if not, when I'm doing morning chores, I can get everything watered at that point. So we're going to skip this for tonight. Between this garden, the garden beds that we have over there, the plants that we have on this side, it'll save about 20 minutes of watering, so we can take that. Oh, here comes Amelia. What's going on, Amelia?
Hi guys!
What you up to?
I'm just looking at the garden. I just called my Nana.
Yeah? What'd she have to say?
We might go swimming.
When?
I don't know. She just said, when I'm over, we might go swimming at Nana's neighbor's house. Whatever it's called. I've already been over there.
Yeah. Are you going this weekend?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So I'm getting picked up on the weekend. Oh, walking. This is from Nana.
What is it?
Come on. It's a card.
Can you read it?
Can you read it for me, Dad?
It says,
Please.
on this side, I love you and Vivian and Bram and Atlas and Corey and my daughter Chris. Oh, and Chivy. That's the cat. And on the back it says, Mia, I hope your summer is full of happy times. Hope you eat lots of ice cream and sleep in a tent under the stars. Love, Nana. Well, now you're going to have to write her a card.
Barrett. I already did, dude. When you came up, come on.
Well, that was cool. Amelia got a postcard from Nana.
It's mine, and I talked about it just a minute ago when I was looking at the garden. Hi.
Well, as I said a minute ago, we've been getting some light showers every afternoon. It's downpouring out at work every single day when I leave. But I have a 40-minute drive, so by the time I get here, there is absolutely nothing rain-wise, again, other than that little sprinkle. So I've been trying to water the lawn. I don't normally do that, but I figured if I could get the grass to grow up enough, I could sweep up the grass after I mow it and then, supplement that with the chickens. We have, I don't remember how large the feeder is, but originally we were going through about 1.5 feeders a day, and we are down to one lasting about every 2 to 3 days. So we filled that yesterday, or 2 days ago, and then topped it off yesterday. We still got thunder coming in, but unfortunately our grass is still pretty darn burnt up. I think we're good on feed and water. All the girls are outside right now, so that's a good sign. Well, hopefully we can get everything done before the storm hits. Clouds seem to be going pretty slow, but hard to tell. All the girls are hiding. At least they're in their favorite spot.